Every drop reminds me that you never stay the same. I reach for you in thunder, but you slip between my hands. Like water in the darkness, you were never mine to command. I chase the storm inside you just to feel you close again. But loving you's a river that keeps drowning me in pain. I wanna be the shelter where your weary heart can hide. But rain can't be imprisoned, it was born to run outside. And oh, I tried to keep you near me, but love just breaks away. The harder that I hold you, the faster you escape. You're the rain I cannot hold, while and burning bright and cold, pouring through my trembling soul. A love too fierce to take control. Rain I cannot hold, still I'm reaching for you. You fall in every memory like a storm without an end. I taste the truth in silence, love that I could never bend. If wanting you was freedom, then why does it feel like chains? I'm standing in the downpour, still calling out your name. And oh, my heart keeps breaking open like clouds that crack and cry. I wanna keep you with me, but rain refuses to be mine. You're the rain I cannot hold, wild and burning bright and cold, pouring through my trembling soul. A love too fierce to take control. Rain I cannot hold, but still I'm reaching for you. If love was meant to stay, then why does mine let go? I held you like a promise, but you slipped just like the snow. You're the